Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Yes, this is your girl Bernice again with you today. Guess what we are doing today? So today I finished doing my makeup. We're gonna try and fix my hair, my frontal wig. So yes, we are fixing my frontal wig. If today is your first time, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. And what we need is your got-to-be glue, this one or the clear one, which is the black one. Either one or the other, any of them works, okay? And then you need your spray, got-to-be spray. I normally have a bottle of water with me as well, and then the mousse, which is the argan oil mousse, this one here. So there's three mainly, and then of course you need comb as well with you. You need this comb, well, any comb actually, and then you need a hairbrush, and I've got some hair clips, okay? So we're gonna try and do it. I've got also a hand fan. Yeah, that's it mainly the things that you need. Let's get into it. So I've got the hair cap on. This is the wig. I've had it for about three years now. It's an old wig, but it still has a lot of life. Of course, it's one of my favorites. Normally I'll comb everything back and then I'll put it on my head before. So I'll put it on my head before I put the gel. This is how I do it. I'm actually good to go like this as well. What do you think? So yeah, I'll just place it where I want it to be. I want it to be here, so I'll leave it there. Now I'm gonna push it back and I'll put the gel, the first layer of gel. That's it for now. I'm gonna blow dry it for a bit on cold. So it's quite sticky like I want it, so I'm gonna apply the second layer and then I'll put on the wig. I'm gonna go ahead and do this bit as well. I'm gonna comb it through. this is the glue bit done. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come inside the back, put a bit of mousse. I'm gonna put a hairband on. This is elastic band. I'm gonna put it on to secure it and leave it for at least 10 minutes. So I'm gonna go in with this wax. I got this from Amazon, just to keep all the baby hair down. So I'm taking the hairband off. This is the finished look. Just comb it for you. So yes, this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed it. If today is your first time, please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Share with your friends and families. Of course, we are sharing some tips over here. And yes, thank you so much for your support. I really appreciate. We are over 500 subscribers and it's not small. God bless you all and I really appreciate you. Thank you. See you again in my next video. Bye.